Hello everyone, my name is Madhura Sakre. Today's date is 20 January 2022. So today's topic is conditional and control statement in Java. Conditional and control statement divided into two parts. Conditional statement and unconditional statement. In a conditional statement, we can see if else, do while loop, for loop, for each loop, switch. That is the unconditional statement. And unconditional statement is break statement, continue, and return. Now we can see control statement. Control statement is three type of control statement: if else, if, nested if, and switch. Loop and the looping statement, for, while, and do while. And jump statement, break, continue, and return. This is the unconditional or control statement. Now we can see what is the control statement. In a Java is a statement that determine whether the other statement will be executed or not. Control the program statement. It means control statement is the control the flow of program. That is called a control statement. Now we can see in detail conditional statement. If else statement, if the condition is true, then it will execute the if block. That is called a if else condition. Then second is if else condition, as compared to if else statement as a same. Condition is true, then it will execute the block. Then switch statement. Switch statement is allows program to select one action among multiple actions during the program execution. It is switch statement. Break statement. Break is a keyword. It is used to terminate the execution of the current loop or switch statement. Then continue statement. Continue statement is a keyword. It is used to continue the execution of the current loop with the next iteration. Break statement. It is the break the line. It is called a break statement. Thank you.